Hi guys, I'm Wadacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I returned home from Spain from my vacation on Tuesday, and when coming through the door found a kind care package from Lockpicking, Bulgaria, as well as hundreds of Chinese takeaway leaflets and Indian takeaway leaflets, so they were all pushed to one side. There was a tear in the package. These locks literally came in one of these. Item damaged. There was a tear in the packaging, quite bad. They were placing these, and it says item damaged before arrival in the UK. Dear customer, we are sorry that the enclosed item sent from abroad and addressed to you was received damaged by Royal Mail at the point of entry into the UK. So does that slightly contradict itself when it says item damaged before arrival in the UK? I'm not sure. Well, that's what it came in, so I'm not sure if there's anything missing, Milan, my friend. So I'll show these fantastic locks. This is a beauty. I'm showing this. There's nothing stamps there, but when you look at these wonderful keys, look at the size of that. Stamped on there, don't know how to pronounce it, is Kohanko, I think. C-O-H-N-K-O, and it's one of the very long keys that goes through. I assume the piece there sort of goes onto the cam, but counting these there, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 with the cuts, flat bit there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it a 9 pin or 10 pin? Beautiful lock, it really is. Shows just on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's like anti-snap and things. I don't know if that is anti-snap. The key literally goes all the way through. I will get this picked up, and if I can, and then pop it on my display, because to me that is very, very unusual. Put that to one side. This one is a guard lock. That's the bitting on the key. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure if that's 5 pin. Cuts seem to be staggered a little bit. Works nicely. This one is a Cabba 8 dimple type lock. Like a cut there on the top of the key as well. You can see the Cabba on that. Gonna have fun playing with that. This one did not come with a working key unless it fell out of the packaging, but it's an icon Euro cylinder. Don't know how many pins are in this because there's no identification marks on there. There is something stamped on the side of it. Don't think that's any identification anyway to the keys. 6ZC4725, then KU under that. So that's a fantastic care package from Lockpicking Bulgaria. It's just a shame that it came in one of these type of bags due to torn packaging. I hope all the contents are in there, Milan my friend, but I'm going to have a lot of fun with these, so thank you so much my friend. It's not a lock picking video, but thanks for watching. Happy picking when you do pick locks, and please always keep it legal.